enters our body through an organ, and in the same path it comes out as carbon dioxide. So, the people can keep their hands on the chest and feel the rise and fall. We inhale oxygen through the nose, which passes by windpipe and reaches the lungs. Our body needs the oxygen that's present in the air. When we breathe, the lungs absorb the oxygen from the air. The carbon dioxide, which is not needed for our body, goes to the air through the windpipe and the nose. The process of breathing in oxygen and breathing out carbon dioxide is called respiration. We have to maintain healthy habits for proper respiration. Like clean your nose regularly when you take bath. Do not cover your face while sleeping. When you are moving in the place of dust, take care to avoid dust entering your nose. Don't be in a hurry while eating food and drinking water. Do not expose yourself to smoke. If you breathe smoke, it causes problems related to the lungs. And at least once in a day, sit straight and take deep breath 10 times. Practice it daily. Don't put things such as stick, pen, piece of chalk, etc. into your nose. Don't breathe through the mouth. Cover your nose and mouth with a handkerchief while coughing or sneezing. The germs can be avoided from entering the air if you are suffering from a cold and cough. This avoids the spreading of cold and cough to others.